Hello and welcome. This is the scene here at Molineux.
Off there. No yellow card, but certainly knows what the referee's thinking.
And the free kick from long range, he didn't miss by much, Lee.
No, I thought the ball would be coming into the box, but long-range free kick, he's had a go.
Good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. Raúl Jimenez. Opportunity to take the lead. There it is! The first goal in the derby. A special moment.
Well, this is worth another look, Derek. Lovely movement and guile to easily evade the defender. There's still a lot of work to be done, but the keeper presents the near post on a plate, and he's punished. That's quite remarkable. Well, it can be difficult being a manager at times, none more so than now.
Conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Do they have the guile to open up the defence? Targets available, cross comes in. Oh, that is a majestic goal! Volleyed home with precision and style, superbly done.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a lovely quick counter-attack that sets up the chance. But then there's still plenty to do from here. Under all sorts of pressure from the defender, he just about keeps him at bay and finishes with aplomb. Great goal. Well, the happy times are back. The coach is more than delighted by his team's response.
Keeper.
Sheer quality. Quality of the shot and certainly quality of the save.
Well, only just wide of the post.